So today we are going to learn that what we should do and what we do not have to do regarding the breadboard. Actually, the breadboard is being used to make some temporary circuit, but there is a problem in understanding about the exact connection of the breadboard. Now, suppose we want to make a circuit, a simple circuit. Suppose we are going to make an LED circuit, but the problem is that how we can place the component inside this breadboard. Approx 400 holes are there, but the thing is that the orientation in which we can put the components in all of these four sections are quite different. So that we will discuss in this video. See, when we are talking about this horizontal rows, there are two horizontal rows at the extreme edges. Now there are two vertical lines holes inside this mid two sections. So how they are connected? See, talking about the first row, these holes are connected horizontally from here to fifth section. What the fifth section mean? See, there are chunks kind of holes that are in bunches, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Up to here they are being connected, they are being shorted. So from here to here they are being shorted with each other. So and this is the same case with this one also. Again from here to here they are being connected, and from here or for the upper line it's connected up to here only. So after fifth hole there is a separation. So there is a separation. So what we can do, if we want to make connection from here to here, so that we can be able to use this whole line, so what we can do, we will put simply a connector over here, and then we can make the circuit. Suppose I'm just going to take example. I want to just put the LED's leg first. Suppose I'm just putting a LED's leg in the in the second of the horizontal line. Now I want to make a connection for this LED leg with another leg of a resistor. So I want to just connect this LED's leg with this resistor. So what I can do, I can put the resistor leg over here. So now after putting the resistor it in this same horizontal line, they are being shorted, means this leg and this leg of the resistor are being shorted with the LED's leg. Now what will happen if I just put the LED's resistor in the same row but over here? It means from counting from here, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, it's in the ninth chunk. So are they connected with each other? The answer is no, because they are not connected from here to here. So we simply, what we can do, if we make connection from here or either from any of the hole in this five chunks and make connected with any of these five holes, so the connection will be shorted, and that's why the wire LED's leg and resistor legs are being connected with each other. So what I am going to do, I simply put the connector in this way. See what I have done, I put the the connector over here and just make the connection from this five chunks. So what will happen now in this case the LED's leg is now being shorted with the resistor this leg. So this is the right orientation to make a connection in between this horizontal section. So this is the first and this is the last, and they are being operated or being connected internally in the very same way. So if I want to put the LED in this hole, so I am just putting it in the first horizontal line. So in this case, will the LED's leg is now connected to this resistor? No. And if I just connect the resistor it over here, so even in this case, is the resistor is being connected to the LED? Again the answer is no. So what I can do, I will put another connector and make the connection for this. So you can see now the LED's legs are connected in this way to the resistor. So in the very same way, this last horizontal line is also work in the very same way. Now we are going to talk about one more feature, that what we should do with the components when we are putting it in the inside the breadboard. So very important thing about the components is that when we are dealing with any of the components, at most all of the components have at least two legs. So not of these two legs should be get connected with each other. So they do not have to short with each other, otherwise they get shorted and no of the components will work because they get damaged also. So we have to take care of that. Suppose if I am putting this LED in this way, so can you tell me, is it the right orientation for putting any of the component inside a breadboard? No, because the both of the legs, as we said that these are connected in the same horizontal line and the horizontal line is being connected with each other. So that's why the LED legs are also get shorted, and that's why this is the wrong orientation. So what's the right way? Suppose I want to put both of the legs and I want to use only this section of the breadboard. So what I can do, I can simply put the LED's leg either in this case, this is the right orientation. So one should deal with the positive and one should deal with the negative of the LED. So these all lines are connected from here to this end because there is a connection over here, and that's why they are connected with the lines are connected shorted from here to here. Now we are going to deal with this two because the same thing will happen with this one also. So we will discuss about this one. See, these two sections has a connection like vertical, means these lines are connected vertically with each other, again with the same case in this one also. So they are connected vertically, but the side one that is just behind it, they are not connected with each other. Okay, they are connected like this, but they are, the first vertical line is not connected with the second vertical line. So again I have talked earlier that any of the components should not get shorted with each of their own component legs. So this is also the wrong orientation. So what we can do, we can simply put the resistor or any of the component, the LED in the same this way, so that their legs get separated, which is the most compulsory requirement. Now I am just going to make a LED circuit from this section, only this section, and I will make the LED to glow. So we will check it out that which is the positive and negative leg of the LED. So you know very well that the smallest part inside the LED is known as the positive. So this one is the positive and the bigger part inside the LED is known as negative. So the left side is the positive and this one is the negative, and simply we have put the resistor in the positive side. So I will putting in the same vertical line and simply put it anywhere else. Now we have to connect the battery to the circuit. See, this is our battery, and I have put the positive leg of the LED battery, that is the red one, to the same positive leg of the resistor, because the positive of the LED is just coming through this resistor and end up over here. So we have connected the positive part of the LED to the battery. Now we have to just connect the negative of the battery so it can glow. So this is the LED, the glowing LED. So I hope that you get it about the exact orientation about the breadboard.